Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Shiba Inu's price has been in a concerning area for some time, just like the rest of the cryptocurrency market. However, everything appears to be about to change, especially now that a powerful purchase signal has been seen. To learn more, you'll have to keep watching this video. In addition, Satoshi Kusama, the principal Shiba Inu developer, has a crucial message for the neighborhood that you really shouldn't miss. Let's review the crucial information from Satoshi before we discuss the purchase indication. Elsie, who runs the official Shiba Inu Discord community, decided to shut down the website and ban all administrators. Although he has stated that the closure is temporary, it doesn't appear that anyone was informed prior to him doing so. The Shiba Inu Discord server's members can no longer send messages, and those who previously acted as admins and moderators have had their statuses removed, according to more information. Elsie has stated that he and likely his team are attempting to fix problems that have contributed to the reduction in the quality of Shib Army's experience, which is why he chose to suspend chats on the site. He didn't specify what those problems are or how he is attempting to solve them. Although Lucy, a well-known Shiba Inu influencer, used Twitter to attempt to clarify matters for the community, she initially sought to defuse tension by emphasizing that the Discord server's suspension had nothing to do with the ecosystem's efficiency. She claimed that the long-running internal disputes among the ruling elite were to blame for the necessity of temporarily halting the Discord server. I must admit that this does not exactly provide us with much of an understanding of what is actually occurring. She and Elsie's statements are identical, with the exception that the ecosystem is not the issue. The Shiba Inu community may probably rest easy knowing that the ecosystem is not the issue, but some people might still be concerned because we are unsure of the exact nature of the issue. Satoshi has offered his opinion on the entire scenario. He wrote, "Let me say something on the Shiba Inu Telegram app. Here I am. I won't be leaving. If you've been around here for a while, I mean, Shib, you know that whenever I'm quiet, I'm usually cooking up something. I've therefore been very quiet because there are a lot of wonderful things in the works." Satoshi did not provide any details on what the Discord shutdown is actually about, like the other people who have commented on what is occurring, but he did imply that major things are going to happen for the Shiba Inu community. Therefore, this may indicate that the ecosystem is in good health, at the very least. Additionally, it is clear that he is attempting to enthuse the Shiba Inu community about the next projects. Satoshi also said, "I don't know about all the tomfoolery going on, but I do know that at the end of the day, I'm going to carry out precisely what I said I would and complete this decentralized system." Satoshi would describe it as wild and frantic mayhem. But it is the nature of exploring uncharted territory. It certainly sounds exciting. If you thought this was incredibly helpful, kindly leave a comment and let your friends know about the video. With the YouTube algorithm, it truly helps, which enables me to keep raising the caliber of the videos. Okay, let's move on to the charts. Technical signals imply that now might be the ideal moment to stock up on Shib. Although there has been a favorable market mood, the price of Shib is still largely stable, with neither pumping nor dumping. Additionally, a long-term support trend line is precisely at the margin of the consolidation area. Shib may have a surge in sales if it is able to reach and hold on to that trend line, which would unintentionally drive up the price of the token. Shib could still fail to cross that trend line of support, which would result in a further decline. But according to historical data and current market characteristics, analysts believe it is more likely than not that Shib will strike the support trend line. Shib's daily relative strength indicator is now showing some strong positive signs, similar to its 20-day EMA, suggesting that the bullish run might be about to begin. Given this, don't you think now would be a good time to add to your collection of Shib tokens? Shib holders will undoubtedly realize some benefit as the market enters its bullish run. So before that occurs, you might want to get some Shib tokens. Please keep in mind, though, that this is not financial counseling. Before making any financial choices, make sure to conduct your own research. Shiba Inu is on the verge of a comeback, and the Shiba Inu ecosystem's improvements provide even more evidence for this. The fact that the Shibarium has continued to execute millions of transactions is evidence that Shib is about to rally. If you have been watching the films on this channel, you are aware that since its March 11th launch, the test Shibarium's version of PuppyNet has processed more than 10 million transactions. Well, it managed to process nearly 2 million more transactions in just 4 days, and more than 1 million blocks were produced. Due to the development team's silence, we are still unsure of the exact date of Shibarium's launch. Shytoshi did, however, make some pretty cryptic comments that seem to imply the imminent release of significant projects. Shibarium might, therefore, be one of these enormous projects. We'll only know, I suppose, when we know. For reference, there has also been a rise in significant Shib trades. The block categorizes significant transactions as those that cost $100 or more. According to Shiba Inu's block records, there has been a rise in significant transactions of 111% during the past 24 hours, totaling around $6.62 million. This is most likely proof that people, especially in Wales, are still interested in Shiba Inu. By 2024, experts anticipate a major price increase for Shib. The experts don't believe that the new zero will be a constant part of Shib's price, for those who have been asking. Many of them have actually stated that by the time 2024 rolls around, Shib will have lost its most recent zero. Even the neighborhood has been urged to anticipate forthcoming improvements. These prophecies appear to be accurate, given current events in the Shiba Inu community. Given how well the test has gone, there is a chance that Shibarium will launch this year. Additionally, we have been informed that there will be more updates on the Shiba Inu ecosystem and perhaps even a launch. Both of these platforms have capabilities that will consume a lot of Shib, which may help cause the price increase that analysts are forecasting. Don't forget that Shibarium has also discussed the release of a function that would permit users to passively burn Shib while earning money for themselves. You can share your opinions about these forecasts in the section below, but the experts must have taken all of them into account before making their predictions. Shiba Inu is once again among the most secure cryptocurrencies, according to other news. Shiba Inu lost its position on the AAA list, which was the list of the safest assets, just a few weeks ago when CertiK released their cryptocurrency rating. Even if it was Shib's first time experiencing something similar, there were still many people who were gravely concerned by that dip. However, this updated classification demonstrates that there was no cause for concern. In any case, the token is still not as high on the list as it once was. Although it is on the AAA list, it is now the 33rd most secure token. To quantify security performance in 6 security categories: code security, fundamental security, health, operational resilience, community trust, market stability, and governance strength, CertiK integrates more than 50 signals, according to CoinGay. Over 91 people rated Shiba in each of the 6 categories. Has higher ratings of 97 and 96, respectively, for governance, strength, and market stability. All of this indicates that either the development team is doing something right or Shiba Inu is responding well enough to something for it to suddenly be regaining its position as one of the market's most secure cryptocurrencies. This brings us to the conclusion of the video. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to leave a comment in the space provided. I find that the YouTube algorithm is greatly aided by this. Also, if you can, spread the word about this video as widely as you can. Let's spread the word about this.